Hey guys, it's Sandra from Inspired Keys. If you want me to answer your worship keys questions with priority, or you have a request for any worship song that you want me to do up a tutorial or a cover video of, and if you want to stand a chance to be an Inspired Keys Academy scholar, then be sure to check out patreon.com/inspiredkeys. I'll see you there and enjoy the video. Hey guys, it's Sandra from Inspired Keys, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about something extremely important. Have you ever been in a worship service where the music just sounds a little bit boring? Like it's repeating the same way forever and ever, and it just doesn't sound like the music is progressing at all? Okay. So I'm going to address that very issue, and it is the one thing about playing worship keys that engages listeners, and the answer is contrast. That's right, contrast, which also means to make something different. If a section of music is played the same way as the one before, one repeat exactly the same way is okay, but many repeats the same way will bring about monotony, which will also mean it starts getting boring and people might turn off. They will not listen anymore, and you might find that it's harder for people to worship God. So I think it's really important for us musicians, I mean, whether you're a keyboardist or not, even if you're a singer, there are things we can do to make sections of music different. So the key principle is that every section should be, and I'm not talking about extremely different, we're just talking about making it a little different. And whether it's a little different or very different, as long as there is difference, it will help to get rid of monotony. So a brief walkthrough of a few aspects of music is what I'm going to be doing right now. I will be demonstrating them in this video, but to learn more exactly about each aspect, be sure to get the free download. I'll give you a cheat sheet on the aspects of music we can change to create contrast, how we can create contrast, and the information is in the description box below. But in the meantime, let's talk about the first aspect of music, which is dynamics, which means loud or soft. How loud or how soft you play the music. For all of today's examples, with the exception of one, I'm going to be using Hillsong's What a Beautiful Name, and I'm going to be using the bridge section chords in the key of D. So here we go. The first contrast will be like dynamics. We're talking about maybe the first version, maybe the first time you play is, you know, the whole... like that's really soft. Okay, so you can imagine doing that a few more times, but let's just say by the third repeat, if you're still doing that, I think that's going to be a little bit boring. So you want to create contrast by pressing harder on the keys so that you actually sound louder. So either you stay the same with the same notes, but playing it louder, when the song builds up, or in my personal preference, I'm actually going to double my line. So this is where the band also starts getting louder. Right? And I'm going to just build accordingly, so that is dynamics, soft or loud. To go deeper in this topic, be sure to download the free download that is available for you. Just click the link below to access the cheat sheet that I've created for you on aspects that you can create contrasts for worship keys playing. If this video helped you, be sure to help this video to rank better on YouTube by liking, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with your friends either by social media or word of mouth. Also, comment below to let me know what you thought of it. Is there another aspect of music that you can think of that we could create contrasts on that I missed out? Yeah, the possibilities are endless. And you could also share with me ideas on suggestions on what kind of videos you want to see in this channel in future. And finally, if you want to fast track your worship keys playing, then be sure to check out the Inspired Keys Academy. Inspired Keys Academy is a membership site that houses a lot of worship keys videos that that you can learn at your own pace as fast as you want. And not only that, you can also upload a video of yourself playing, and then you can get critique on your playing and interact with other worship keyboardists as well. So if that interests you, be sure to check out the Inspired Keys Academy by going to inspiredkeys.com/join, and I can help you with your worship keys playing as well. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Happy playing and God bless.